welcome to Restaurant Recipe Recreations. This channel serves up your favorite restaurant recipes right in your own kitchen. And in this episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to recreate the bourbon marinated salmon from Longhorn Steakhouse. And this video also happens to be a request video from Brendan. So Brendan, I hope you enjoy your bourbon marinated salmon from the Longhorn Steakhouse. And if you happen to have a restaurant or a recipe that you would like me to feature in an upcoming video, then go ahead and drop it in the comments section below. I promise I'll take a look at it. But make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that when your request video comes up, you'll be notified. So let's go ahead and get into this. It's such an easy and quick salmon dish. Really, the only time involved is the time that you want the salmon to marinate, which is about 3 to 4 hours, so you will have to plan ahead for that. But other than that, it is quick, easy, simple, and delicious. So what you'll need for this recipe is salmon, obviously. I have here 3 5-ounce salmon fillets with the skin on. Now I have to admit I was a little disappointed when I went to the fishmonger at my grocery store. This was the nicest and freshest looking salmon that they have. However, each of the fillets are a little bit thin and I would prefer that they be thicker. What I have here are 5-ounce fillets. I would recommend, if you can, to get 7-ounce fillets. But for these purposes, we'll go ahead and just go with the 5-ounce fillet. You're going to need a bottle of bourbon. Clearly you can see which one I prefer. But in my defense, we just came off of the 2021 holiday season, and this was not all of my fault. You're gonna need soy sauce. You're going to need scallion, brown sugar, lime, garlic, and fresh ginger, and a little bit of cracked black pepper. So let's go ahead and get the marinade started so that we can get the salmon into the marinade and then get this into the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours before we grill and enjoy the bourbon marinated salmon from Longhorn Steakhouse. In your mixing bowl, start with 1 tablespoon of grated fresh garlic. Next, 1 tablespoon of peeled and grated fresh ginger. Obviously, we're not going to use this whole thing. I think about this finger should be good. Using a sharp knife, just carefully peel off the outer skin of the fresh ginger. Let's go ahead and grate this and see how much this ends up being. You're looking for 1 tablespoon. The juice of 1 lime, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Dark if you happen to have it, if not, light brown sugar will be fine. Next, add 4 tablespoons of a premium high quality soy sauce. Four grinds of fresh cracked black pepper. And finally, the star of the show, 4 tablespoons of your favorite bourbon. Whisk the marinade together until it's well blended and the sugar has had a chance to fully dissolve in the liquid. Now take your salmon and place it into your marinade and make sure that each piece is fully coated. Pour the remaining marinade over your salmon. Cover the salmon with plastic wrap and place this in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours. Once your salmon has been marinating in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours, go ahead and get your grill on a medium heat. If you would like to outdoor grill, by all means do that, but for this purposes, I'm going to use my all-clad indoor grill pan because I just love it. And you're going to start by placing the salmon skin side down on your grill. Grill the salmon skin side down for about 4 minutes. While your salmon is grilling on the skin side, add a little bit more of the marinade to the top of the salmon before we flip it over and grill the meat side. Now carefully flip your salmon over to the meat side. Once you have flipped your salmon to the flesh side, allow the salmon to grill for an additional 3 minutes. After 3 minutes on the flesh side, carefully remove your salmon and place onto a platter. Now, I'm not somebody that tells people how they should like their steak and their fish in terms of medium well or medium rare or medium. You know, everybody's tastes are different. They're not right or wrong. It's what you like, and that's what's important. But for me personally, I like my salmon to be a little tiny bit pink in the center. And so like I mentioned, I did 4 minutes on the skin side down and then 3 minutes on the flesh side down. It also obviously depends on how thick your fillets are. And like I said in the beginning of this video, I was a little disappointed at how thin these are. So if you have a nice thicker piece of salmon fillet, you're probably going to want to do another 30 seconds or a minute on either side. Add some slivered scallions to it for a little bit of garnish on top, and then serve immediately. If you've cooked it properly and for long enough, the skin should be able to just slide right off. So we're gonna go ahead and have the moment of truth here. Yeah, it's good. So good. All right. Brendan, thank you for your request. This is fantastic. All right, my peeps, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you enjoy all of my recipes. But until I see you again, everybody, make it an awesome, awesome day. Cheers, I love y'all. And for more steakhouse recipes, check out right here.